Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an elastic IP and how to assign it to an instance or how to release the elastic IP. So I have already logged into my AWS account. I'm just going to go to the EC2 dashboard by just clicking over here. So currently I am in this EC2 dashboard and just scroll it down on your left, and here is the elastic IP you would find in network and security. So just click on it. So currently there is no IP reserved for any instance in this account or in this region. So first let's see that there is one instance created. I have created and there is no public IP assigned to it. So I am going to the elastic IPs and allocate. Just select the network border group. Just it is just the region and allocate. Leave the rest of the second default. So now you have reserved this 54.146.1.142 reserved, and this it is type public. Okay, you just need to associate this IP to your instance. So to associate, just go to the action. After selecting your public IP, just go to the instance and just associate this elastic IP. So just resource type, just choose instance, and the instance list would be here. So just select your instance. The private IP of that instance would be appeared, and allow this elastic IP address to be reassociated. So you can leave the default or you can check again and associate it. So now you have associated this public IP with your instance. Just refresh it. So you have seen that the public IP, the elastic IP is associated as public IP in this instance. To deassociate or to release the elastic IP, just go to the elastic IPs again and click on this. Just select your instance elastic IP and go to the actions and deassociate it first. Deassociate. Now you have reserved this IP, but it is not associated with any instance. Keep selecting this and just release this. Inculcate one point in your mind that once you have allocated an elastic IP in your region, so you would start getting charged of this associated public IP until you haven't connected it, you haven't associated within any instance. So currently this IP is not associated with any instance, so I would be getting charged. It would be this a small amount at the end of the month, but it would be getting charged. So just release this like elastic IP. So this is how elastic IP is allocated or um, released. Thank you. The elastic IP has been released.